Namaskar. Kikobor. I'm Sophiya. I came all the way to India from Germany, and I came here as a reason for my master thesis because I am studying agriculture and I got into a project of potato farming cultivation in Assam. So I stayed 5 months in Guwahati, and in Assam I traveled all over the farmers' places, visited their houses and their fields. And after these 5 months I finally got some relief of this work and I could go for some travel. I went to Meghalaya, I went to Shillong, Cherrapunjee, Nomriad. Nomriad is a very beautiful place. Then I went to Dauki and Shnongpreng and to Shawai as well. Shawai is a plateau and I really enjoyed the time there, visiting a friend who invited me to their home. And then I visited one more place of the northeast, it's Arunachal Pradesh. Near to the Chinese border you find Thankx, and I went to Zero Valley. Yeah, this was my travel in the northeast. Then I went to, before I came back to Guwahati, I went to Majuli. And I wanted to come a little earlier back to Guwahati because my flight leaves tomorrow, but I just arrived yesterday because I really enjoyed this Majuli island and the tribal people living there. Everyone is so damn friendly here that it's insane, because in Germany it's different and here everyone is so welcoming, caring. I really enjoyed it and I definitely come back. Now I leave for the very hot season, that's good. Okay, so during my time in Guwahati, I met a few very great friends. Now they are friends, and from this time when I met them, like my life in Guwahati changed, because having friends in a different city is very nice. So the first day was we went to Holi and we had an incredible Holi 2 days. We went to Kamakaya temple and the day before to Fancy Bazaar and drank bang and were happy all day long and just enjoyed it. It was crazy. I have never expected that, and I think India I know one more thing. Ek, dwi, tini, sari, pas, soy, khat, at, no, dos.
We had white people, now we have pink people.